We got 3 up here.
We got 3 up here.
You ready? Set. 3, 2, 1.
Mine, all mine survived.
All yours survived.
Hey, it's Kaven. Today we're gonna open this 5-star price monster truck.
Yes, thank you to Zuru for sending us these toys. Ready?
Set, go. Oh,
that's cool.
There's a J.
Oh!
It almost
They
fell
all
off.
rolled out. Any more? No? Let's put this box away.
Let's move these aside.
Okay, so there's 6. So, we're gonna play a game today, Kaven.
What?
We're gonna open up these 5 surprises.
Okay.
And build them. And then we're gonna roll them down this gigantic ramp.
When I was
Look at this cool.
When I was doing.
You wanna roll your ball?
Yeah.
Whoa!
So that's gonna be a fun part about these 5 supplies. There's 700 ducks to quit.
Yes, alright.
Let's open these now. Let's put them
Okay, let's
back.
put this down. Okay, Kevin, which one do you want?
This one.
Versus this one.
Okay,
let's
now
put these ones away.
I'm gonna open mine. Whoa.
T-Rex Crusher. Phantom Fear. In this corner we have Phantom Fear.
In this corner we have the
T-Rex Crusher. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Are you ready to rumble?
You can't catch me.
Please.
Oh. My turn. 3, 2, 1. Oh, they both crashed.
Try.
So we got this guy, Toot.
We got this guy.
Okay, which one you want? Which one you picking?
This one.
That one?
Whoa!
Venom Wasp. Cyborg X.
So,
Round number 2, we have Cyborg X.
in this corner we have Venom Wasp.
Let's go. Woo! What are you gonna do? Oh, you missed.
I'll sting you. Hey.
Ooh, my tire's flat. And the winner is Venom Wasp.
And it's the last and final 2.
Giant Spider. Shark Destroyer. Round number 3, Shark Destroyer versus Giant Spider.
I'm gonna web you.
Oh! You can't get me. You can't get me. Oh! I hit the other monster trucks. Oh no! I gotta get another bullet. Got my bullet back. Oh! Boom. And the winner is
Julian Spider!
So these are the new 05 surprises, the monster trucks. They're pretty cool. We have Shark Destroyer, Phantom Fear, Cyborg X, Giant Spider, T-Rex Crusher, and Venom Wasp.
I really wanted a Phantom though, but my favorite is this one.
And they all can shoot missiles. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I wish Buddy could see our nuts, okay? Even if please subscribe and thumbs up. Thanks
Thanks for watching.
Bye!